Hello and welcome back to the in-depth weather video. Today we're going to be going over more of the same, the winter weather in the west, as well as Eta impacting Florida, which should happen in the next 24 to 36 hours. Once again, I'm using my computer's microphone, so if the audio quality is not as good as it usually is, I'm sorry for that, but my other microphones are acting up a little bit. So we're just going to jump right on into this. We have many winter weather alerts in the west, including blizzard warnings in Montana, winter storm warnings as well. We have winter weather advisories, and we have freeze watches in California. So that is about it for that storm. For Eta, we now have tropical storm warnings in Florida, as well as some more tropical storm watches. We also have storm surge watches, and that is about it. We also have hurricane watches in some spots, because this storm is now projected to get very close to that mark of becoming a Category 1 hurricane. So there's a lot of unknowns here with that system, and we're probably not going to know until the actual data comes in. Good thing we have the hurricane hunters, because their data is going to be crucial at this point to actually predict what is happening with this storm and the intensity trends with this storm as well. So let's just move on. Radar. So we have this system in the west dumping snow in certain spots in Canada and in through Montana, Idaho, Nevada, California, Colorado, Wyoming, and a couple more states. So let's move on here. Satellite imagery. So you can see that system in the west. You can also see Eta here about to make impacts on Cuba and starting to see some rain move into the Florida area. So a lot going on today. NAM 3-kilometer model. So we're going to take this step by step. So right now we have a low pressure over here in the system. So we're going to move this ahead now. You can see that overall rotation. You can also see that snowy squall line that I was talking about yesterday. But basically, a lot of stuff's happening in Montana. Very high snow totals there. And then as this moves on, we get an actual line of thunderstorms moving through the central part of the country. Now with Eta, we have this storm that is going to be moving on, hitting the Keys of Florida here, and that's the most intense area right in here. Then it comes out of that area into the Gulf of Mexico. Now we could see some intensification of this storm when it's in the Gulf of Mexico, possibly bringing it up to a hurricane if it doesn't happen in between Florida and Cuba. Also, in the next 84 hours, we could see another low pressure develop, bringing snow into the central plains of the country. Just a very light snow total there. So overall, total positive snow depth change includes an area of 6 to 12 inches of snow in Nebraska and Iowa, as well as isolated amounts of that and even higher in the Rocky Mountains, but a consistent band of 12 to 24 inches of snow extending into Canada from Montana. So we definitely have to watch all these systems here as they move on. Now, just for giggles here, over the next 384 hours, you can see we don't have much in terms of other snowfall except for in the west and that system that pushes through the central part of the country. So after these few storms here, I don't think that we're going to get a winter storm, but that could always change as the models come in and the data comes in. So we definitely have to watch a lot of systems here going through the next couple of weeks. So that is all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.